Yo, what's up traders? Welcome to a new video. In this video I will go over Bitcoin, and Bitcoin made a nice move to the downside the last few days. So let's calculate it. It went down for about 28% the last few days, and if I calculate it from the top, it made a move to the downside 39%, which is which is nice, of course. If you want to buy the dip, this really was a nice moment to get in the trade, to get to buy Bitcoin. And what do we see right now? So this was a huge move to the downside, then we see some consolidation, and it even went to the upside. So it went down, it came out of the channel. As you can see, Bitcoin traded in the channel, and so it escaped. And there are basically two things. It either can go back in a channel, and then we would see some nice move to the upside when it has crossed this trend line over here, or it respects this trend line, and it's well, let me show you. Yeah, it will make a nice push to the upside, respects the trend line, and then goes to the downside and basically fill this wick. And if we look at the Fibonacci that I have drawn, you will see that it is in the golden zone. So it basically is between these levels over here, and we call this the golden zone. And so this is a nice move, and quite an interesting phase that Bitcoin is in right now. We really need to wait for that. What I also notice is that it is making if it going to the upside, we will see that it has made a bullish divergence, a hidden bullish divergence, which means that this point over here is below this point over here. This is the lowest point, this is another low. If it goes to the upside, then it would make a low, and we see that this is lower than this. If we are going to the weekly, we see the same. It's not really that hard, a hard hidden bullish divergence, but it's a really small one. Over here we see that this point is higher than this point over here, so this is lower than this, and we see that this is obviously higher than this. So yeah, we're speaking of a divergence, which means that Bitcoin might go to the upside soon, but we will see. And yeah, that is my technical analysis on Bitcoin, and we really need to wait. If I'm looking at the 4 hour, so it went to the upside. As you can see, it respected the trend line once, then we see a doji / pin bar, and so there's a chance that it would go downwards, and that it doesn't go above this trend line. And then we will see a nice drop to the downside, and eventually it would consolidate a bit over here, and then maybe we go to the upside. But that is something we need to discuss later on. But yeah, this is currently the phase that Bitcoin is in. If you're interested in buying Bitcoin, check out the link in my description. Sign up for crypto.com, and we both receive $25. I see you in the next one.